Hi everybody, Chris and Tanya here with Clutter Reduction Junk Removal in Palm Beach County, Florida. We are at a CubeSmart right now waiting for our client to show up. This is a job that we never saw. It is a referral of somebody in our networking group. It's a 10 by 15 and a 10 by 7-ish. So without seeing it, she said they're both relatively full. And I said, okay, all I can really do is the sheer volume of both units divided by our truckload. And then I tacked in a little extra for time because with the storage unit, you typically have a longer walk. So I quoted 4 loads and that's a little under 3,000. So she was perfectly fine with the price, but she loved the fact that we donate and ensured that we donate her stuff. And I said, no problem, as long as it's actually donatable. Some people claim it's donation worthy, but sometimes it's not. So if it actually is, then by all means. So once she shows up, we'll go take a look, figure out if we should continue to park here or not. We did get a large U-Haul because if it does end up being 4 loads, to do that in the trailer, have to go find somewhere to drop it off and then go dump the rest and come back. It takes a lot of time. So with the U-Haul, we can kind of just do it all at once. This looks like her. So I think she just pulled up and we'll get started.
Could be one of those stimulate my hunger days. The coffee and energy drinks.
All right, so this is the first unit. It is the bigger unit, and it is majority boxes and then some furniture in the back. And the other unit is a 10 by 7, much smaller, but it's furniture and a lot of miscellaneous stuff. So we're actually gonna start with this first because I can just see kitchen, all super easy to just donate straight to our lady in the ministry, and we don't even have to open the boxes. I'm just confident that this isn't just full of trash. So we're just gonna start loading up all the boxes, bring it out to the U-Haul. We're not too far from the elevator, and then we were able to park in front along the bushes. So overall, definitely a lot less of a headache as far as the distance as we were initially possibly thinking. And then the other unit isn't too much farther of a walk. So she said there's some high-end rugs in here, Italian custom furniture, and a bunch of stuff still like brand new, like trampoline, an office chair, which I might take because my cat keeps destroying it every time I get one. So we'll get started, Tanya.
So, successful day. Now, 4 loads worth. Typically, that should take 2 people 8 hours, but it took us only 6. And we cleared out both storage units, maybe some good finds. We'll see what happens. And it sounds like the client's going to be very happy. So, overall, great day, good referral. It is from a networking group, and we did talk about that recently on how are they worth it or not. Today's job made it worth it. So, consider it in your area.
Okay, so the job started off, I would say, pretty smooth. We couldn't tell what was in it other than she said it was a bunch of furniture. It was definitely more boxes than it was furniture. And halfway through, we started noticing boxes of books and boxes of books and more books. And I counted 42 boxes of books, and I stopped counting at some point. So figure on average, your typical small box full of books is probably about 40 pounds. So if you do the math there, you're looking at almost a ton of books, literally a ton. And we can't donate them anywhere, anyhow, as much as we try. We put them out for neighbors, and like someone will take like 5, but that's pretty much it. So that's basically just a very heavy expense to get rid of. And then there was like these 4 huge display cases that you guys saw us pushing up the ramps. Those things are pretty nice, but they're pretty heavy. They're glass shelves. We don't have anywhere to keep them, and I don't really know where to bring them to. So unfortunately, those will probably get disposed of. We're gonna go through a lot of the stuff tonight and tomorrow. I'm keeping the U-Haul for an additional day, so we're not gonna return it until Saturday morning, because I feel like it's worthwhile to go through a lot of the stuff. And we're basically gonna sort through a little bit of it today. I have to help somebody with the move tomorrow, so we'll sort through a little bit after that. And then I might try to run a dump run just to get rid of like at least like half the truck of like obvious trash. And then Saturday morning, because I have to return the truck by 8 and the dump up is at 7, I'll probably have to get there like 6:20 in the morning to reserve my spot in line, so I'm like the first person in. And we will basically just have to
Yeah.
pause, client's here for payment.